let's see how the students can book both free trial as well as paid one-to-one classes from the tutors, and how they can get access to the Zoom links. So suppose if the student wants to book a one-to-one class, he can click on choose tutors and he can choose a tutor. If it's a free trial class, he can click on book free trial, and there will be an option that says automatically it's ticked as a free class, and now the student can choose a subject. And then these are the available slots for the free trial class. He can choose one and click on the confirm button, so the booking is made successfully. So now it will automatically go to the lessons page of the student. Now we can see that the tutor name is Haripriya, and the lesson type is a free trial class, and the status is booked. And now there is an option of Zoom link. There will be also email to Joe's in his personal email ID, denoting that he has booked the class, and there will be a Zoom link. Apart from that, there is a Zoom link here for the student to join directly from here. Suppose this is for the free trial class. The same is for the paid class. Suppose he Joes wants to book a paid class, paid one-to-one class. He can click on choose tutors, and suppose he is going to book with the same tutor. He can click on this tutor and look for the one-to-one paid classes. In the one-to-one class, now these are the slots available. It's automatically checked as a paid class, and now the student can choose a subject. And suppose he is booking for this particular slot, he can click on pay $40 and make the transaction. Once the payment is being made, it will automatically go to the transaction page for the student to show that the payment is completed with the details of the payment. So now we can see that it has gone to the transaction page. And the same way, under my lessons for the students, there will be a Zoom link for the particular session that they can access. So there will be also a email sent to the sent regarding the Zoom link for the classes booked right now. Apart from that, there is a easy Zoom link button where the student can click on this and he can join the session. So, and if there is any course materials uploaded for the one-to-one classes by the tutor, he can view them. So, under the actions drop down, the student can also post any course materials. And if the tutor is posting any course material, he can also view that same. Suppose the student is posting any course material, he can click on upload. It will be shown for the tutors, and likewise, say, and the appointments page of the tutor, it will be shown whatever that the student has uploaded will be shown here. Yeah, actually we need to click on save this changes for the changes to get reflected, and now uh, it will be available under my appointments page. You can see that the course material is available whatever the student has uploaded. Now suppose if the tutor is uploading any course materials, he can upload from the uh, appointments page, upload, and make the changes. So the students can find it under my lessons page for the same class. You can see that whatever the tutor has uploaded is that can be downloaded and viewed by the student. So basically this helps in assignment sharing, or if the tutor is going to give any assignment, the student can write it back and send to the tutor. So this is how the student can book a one-to-one free or a paid class, and this is how we can access Zoom links and course materials. Thank you.